My name is Ava Martinez. I've always believed life moves in predictable chapters: school, career, marriage. But sometimes love edits the story. I met Leo during an internship at a design firm in Seattle. He wasn't someone who stood out at first glance, but his quiet intelligence and way of noticing small details made him unforgettable. We began as colleagues, but coffee breaks turned into shared lunches, and soon we were walking home together just to keep the conversation going. We didn't plan on falling for each other. It just happened. He once told me, "Some bonds don't need years, they just need truth." That stuck with me. Our connection was deep, honest, and real, but we both had families back home, traditional ones, who wouldn't accept how fast this was happening. So we made a decision to keep it just between us for now. Our secret wasn't built on shame, but on the desire to protect something fragile. Leo and I weren't hiding from love. We were shielding it until it felt strong enough to face the world. After 3 months of being just friends in public, we stood quietly in front of a local officiant, signed a few papers, and smiled at each other like kids keeping a sweet secret. There was no ring, no guests, just a quiet promise and 2 steady hearts. That night, we had dinner at a food truck and laughed like it was our wedding feast. I still remember the twinkle lights strung across the alley, the soft music from a nearby street musician, and how the world felt both enormous and intimate. "This is our beginning," Leo whispered. And it was a beginning no one else knew about, but that made it even more ours. Balancing real life with our hidden truth was tricky. At work, we stayed professional. At home, we were partners learning how to build a rhythm. Who made breakfast? Who took out the trash? Who stayed calm when the Wi-Fi failed? The world didn't know we were married, but we felt it in the way we folded laundry side by side or left sticky notes with silly doodles on the fridge. Some days I wanted to shout it out loud, "He's my husband,"